Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Exodus Wallet. We'll cover the essential steps to set up your digital asset management system. Exodus is a fantastic choice for its ease of use and broad support for many cryptocurrencies. You'll learn how to download, install, and create your first wallet, ensuring you're ready to explore the world of digital finance with confidence. Setting up your Exodus wallet is straightforward. First, download the application directly from the official Exodus website to avoid any fraudulent versions. Once installed, you'll create a strong, unique password. The most crucial step is to write down your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so keep it extremely secure and never share it with anyone. Now that your wallet is set up, let's talk about managing your assets. To receive cryptocurrency, simply share your unique wallet address for the specific asset. Sending is just as easy. Input the recipient's address and the amount you wish to transfer. Exodus also features a built-in exchange, allowing you to swap between hundreds of different cryptocurrencies seamlessly, all within the same secure environment. Protecting your digital assets is paramount. Exodus offers robust security features, including the option to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced protection. Beyond basic transactions, you can explore advanced functionalities like staking, which allows you to earn rewards on eligible cryptocurrencies directly within your wallet. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.